Council Speaker Mark-Viverito's public disclosure that she was sexually abused as a child follows a series of social media campaigns inviting abuse survivors to share their stories. The people who work to treat and prevent abuse in the Diocese of Brooklyn see some positive effects to this trend.
It gives a voice to the victims, and it lets people know that they're willing to say things now that years ago it was unspoken. A predator might shy away from abusing a child because they're realizing that they can't get away with these things anymore.
I think there's something very empowering when an abuse survivor can speak to what their experience has been with abuse. One of the things that affects survivors the most is the silence that binds them. There's a lot of shame that's attached to it.
Abuse survivors have mentioned shame and fear of being punished by abusers as reasons for their silence. Speaker Mark-Viverito said she hoped to provide courage to others by publicly coming forward.
I think it has an effect on everyone, because if it can happen to that person, it can happen to anyone.
But Jasmine emphasizes that sharing on social media should not be a first step in coming to terms with abuse.
I think when you decide to come forward, it really should be to trusted people. It should be in an environment where you're going to feel safe. And that can't be controlled in social media.
These resources offer comprehensive support for victims of sexual abuse and assault. The National Sexual Assault Hotline at 1-800-656-HOPE, and the New York State Coalition Against Sexual Assault, 1-800-942-6906. Reporting for Currents, I'm Conrad Aderer.